Hey there. Welcome to Tidybitz Minds, your go-to channel for mastering Microsoft Excel and Office tools from A to Z. In this video, we're starting right at the beginning. Excel Basics, explained step by step, in just 10 minutes. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program used to store, organize, and analyze data. From budgeting and reporting to tracking goals and running businesses, Excel does it all. Excel interface overview. When you open Excel, here's what you'll see. Rows run horizontally and are numbered, columns run vertically and are lettered. A cell is where a row and column meet. Like A1 or B2, the ribbon is your command center. Home, Insert, Formulas, and more. The formula bar shows what's in your selected cell. Entering and editing data. To add data, just click on a cell and start typing. You can enter text, numbers, dates, even formulas. To edit, double-click or press F2. Use Tab to move right, Enter to move down. Formatting data. Let's format this data to make it clearer. Select your range and use bold, font size, colors from the ribbon. Align center. Add borders. Click Format as Table to make it polished instantly using basic formulas. Excel's true power comes from formulas. Let's try. Equals sum. B2. B6. Adds a list. Equals average. C2. C6. Calculates average. Equals B2 plus C2. Simple addition. All formulas start with an equal sign. Autofill and Smart Drag. Save time with autofill. Type January. Then drag the corner of the cell. Excel autofills months. Works with numbers, dates, and custom lists too. Inserting charts. Want to visualize data? Select your data. Right pointing arrow. Go to Insert, Tab. Right pointing arrow. Click Recommended Charts. Choose a bar, line, or pie chart. Customize with colors and labels. Save and export. When you're done, save your file. Click File. Right pointing arrow. Save as. Pick Excel Workbook, XLSX, for regular use, or export as PDF for sharing. Outro. That's it. Your first Excel lesson is complete. From typing data to creating formulas and charts, you've covered the essentials. If you found this helpful, hit like, click subscribe, and check the playlist for more lessons. Up next, top 10 Excel shortcuts you use every day. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. This is Alan from Tidybitz Minds, signing off.